guys, it's Diane right here, and now I'm in the reservoir. How beautiful is that? Here's my surrounding. There are people who's cycling here, mountain bikes. Over there, you can see the city. Isn't it gorgeous around here? Look at all the trees here. With all these green space, you can relax yourself from your stressful school life, your urban life. Alright, hasta la vista, my urban city. And peace out. It has been a wonderful pleasure for me to hike during this weekend. And what you're seeing is things that I have seen during my hike. I hope you enjoy my pictures and hope you guys have a nice day and good hikes. See ya! Bye!